Guys, wow. You see? They have something there now, baby love.
What is it?
I don't know. They're going inside.
Meet and greet so you can take a picture.
Ah, meet and greet so you can take a picture with the dinos. You want to see? With Mama? Let's go. I'll take a picture of you with the... Yeah.
Attention. Gate 2 is now opening.
En een heel klein stapje naar links. Ja, goed zo. Ja, als jullie nou op de foto willen met Charlie, mogen jullie hier een rij gaan vormen. Dan komt iedereen aan de beurt. Wil je op de foto? En als de rest ongeveer bij deze paal wil blijven wachten, dan houden we het allemaal mee.
Do you want a picture with the dino?
Deze hebben we met open.
Photo?
Mag je ook aan?
Wait, baby love. Wait lang, wait lang.
Hallo, kom er maar bij.
Naglinya na siya guys. Ang tatay doon, oh, grabe, nag-enjoy sa kanyang lunch ba? Pati sa coffee. Gusto niya siya lang daw muna mag-isa guys.
You're taking the picture?
Yeah.
Come on.
Kijk hier, Nathan. Nathan.
Ja, leuk hè?
Nou, met
Bijstaan hoor.
bijstaan.
Erbij staan. Ja?
Je kan ook de klauwen.
Kijk. Oh. Smile. And then met papa. Ja. Nathan. Oh.
Ja? Come on.
Tot ziens.
Wow. That was nice.
Before going home, get the ice cream
Yeah, before.
from here.
Okay, before we go home. But now we eat lunch, okay?
My love. How did you like this show?
Very nice show.
Liar.
Give him his lunch, Mahan.
Yeah.
Let's eat first, bebe, okay? And then we see all the dinosaurs there. There's a lot of dinosaurs. Big, big, big. Big, bigger than Papa. Do you know that? Kanina pa ito palabas ng palabas ang ating mga... And then when we go home, before we go home, you can get your ice cream, yes?
Ice cream from the Dino Land.
Yes, we buy it here. Enjoy. Mag-ihi ata yun si Daniel. Anong sinabi niya? Narinig. Kain na siya ng kanyang apple. Ano yung bread niya? May parang cheese whiz ba sa atin? Kain siguro ako. Kalahati lang nagkanin. Nabay ako sa bahay, guys. You are going there later, okay? Salami. With butter. Sarap. Want to try this? With salami. May kabak-tubak tayo o kumakain din sila ng ano nila, ng baon nila, guys. 1, 2, 3. Gara ba?
Good job. You want me to duck?
Not like that. One more.
One more. There's no picture. It's a movie.
Take off your glasses so you look in love. They can see your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Agoy, gikuha na sa
Nathan.
isa. We're taking picture. Joiners
Sure.
ka.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Alis ka muna.
I want to.
Yeah, then you
Homer.
can go here. 1, 2, 3.
No. And then me.
Oh, dali. In 3, 2, 1, here. Bye.
3, 2, 1. Bahog siya maglabot.
Look at that, everyone. Maganda dito, guys, in fairness. You like it here, bebe? Are you enjoying here?
Dinosaur.
Looks like a dinosaur. Oh. Do you like it here? You want to come back here? If you have money again? Now, you tell them, don't skip the ads.
Don't skip up.
Wow, hindi nga naman tayo nalugi sa 66 euros. Dahil meron silang mga paganito. Si Nathan, mga palaruan lang ang pinupuntahan niya. Wala siyang pakialam sa mga dinosaur, guys. Nandun na siya, oh. Kaya may nakita na naman siya na playground. Gumagalaw din talaga sila, guys. Grabe, no? Isipin mo kung andito pa rin kaya talaga itong mga dinosaur, guys, no? Isipin nyo. Kung nabubuhay pa rin sila hanggang ngayon, Kinain na siguro tayong lahat. Na. Laban kayo dyan. Na. Saan na yung mag-ama ko, uy? Grabe nila kalalaki, guys. Ganito din talaga sila kalaki, no? Sa totohanan. Binase nila sa mga nakitang buto siguro. Wow. Na. Nakatingin pa siya sa atin. Saan na sila? Hala, kainit man. Nandito na naman tayo sa hindi nagdala ng sombrero ba? Kasalanan mo yan, Inday Garnet. Wala din akong payong. Yan lang din nakagandahan dito ba? Karami po nilang playground. Tingnan, kalaki-laki niyan, oh. Kaganda. In fairness, dito. Dito na lang kaya kami kukuha ng ano, no, yung yearly. Kasi 'di ba naubos na po yung ano namin, yung subscription po namin doon sa zoo malapit sa bahay namin. Kaya naghanap kami ng iba ngayon, tapos merong zoo na nagustuhan sana namin na sunog. Kalalaki good oh. Wow, pero yun lang kay isang oras din ang drive nito. Papunta dito galing sa amin. Asan sila Daniel? Australotitan. Paano yan pagbasa, guys? Dito may paano din sila o pa-slide sila na malaki. Ayun na, nakita ko na sila. Hinahanap din nila ako. Tinawagan ko ba? We are looking for you. Sabi ko, hinahanap ko din kayo. Ganda. Ano pa? Oh, mga malalaking dinosaur, guys. Oh. Wow. Grabe, guys. I'm amazed. I love it here, Mahal. I'm thinking, but maybe it's far, you think? It's very far?
It's far, but this is a nice place.
Yeah.
The best of all.
Yeah, best of all, everything in the world. Tingnan natin magkano. I'll check, Mahal, how much is it here, Mahal, yearly? Yun lang, di kay malapit lang din sa tatay niya. Makapunta din po kami sa tatay niya, no? Pero wala sila ngayon, kay nagbakasyon. Tingnan nyo, gaano kalaki, oh. Diba? Wow! Ang isa dito nagtanggal na ng sapatos kaya maglaro na siya. Kaya magtago na ako, guys. Kaya magpasilong kay kainit. Siyempre, pati ang papa, oh. Akyat din. Hala, sinata nandun na sa pinakataas, guys. Yung nakahiga sa may swing ba, nagbikangkang talaga masyado. Init, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, mag-ano sila. Hala, Mahal, are you not scared? Are you sure? Tingnan nyo. Grabe ka straight. Are you sure, Mahal? Wow! Na, isa pa. Mahal, you need to be with him, Mahal. Ala, sige. Pa-straight masyado siya, guys. In fairness, sa slide na ito, nakakatakot. Dali na, punta na kay Papa. Bitay na ang Papa, oh. Pahirapan. Yan lang ang pwede mong gawin para makaakyat ka dyan. Buhay-buhay. With Papa, ha? With Papa, Nathan. That was nice. Mahal. I check, Mahal, if how much.
Yeah.
They don't do that here.
So expensive.
Yeah, expensive. They want you to pay every time you come here.
Yeah.
Maintindihan mo din kay kaganda ng park nila, guys. Hayaan na muna natin sila mag-akyat-akyat dyan, no? Maghanap tayo saan tayo makaupo dito na hindi mainit. Tingnan nyo, good, oh. Sayang ba, wala silang yearly. Maro din sila. Ayaw nila magpatalo. Ang dami kasi silang activities ba, maganda. May paganito pa sila dito. Diba? May pa-wall climbing po sila. Ang mag-ama ko nandun na, nag-akyat na. Ayun na si Daniel at Nathan. Nathaniel! Tingnan nyo guys, kahit nahirapan na si Daniel, lumalaban. Kasi keep good niya, no? Tayo dito, mag-vlog-vlog lang talaga tayo sa kanila. Upo-upo lang. Nag-enjoy talaga ang tatay, oh. Ano gawin niya din talaga ang assignment ba? Come here. Do you want to try that, Mahal, with Nathan or no?
What?
You want to try that?
No, I already have muscle ache.
Do you want to try that? Climbing in the wall? Like that, oh, look.
We're going from the climb.
Ah, okay. I'll wait you here. Ayaw man nila, masakit na daw mga muscle nila, guys. Hala, isa-isa sila ni Daniel, guys. Hala. Hoy! Hoy! Diyos ko! Oei, dat was scary, man.
He really wanted to go along. Zullen we een keertje samen? Dat zou ik wel leuk vinden.
Gusto niya siya lang isa. Daw hindi ako makapag-vlog ba. Parang naiblad ako doon, guys.
Auw. Ik denk niet dat het slim is dat je dit alleen gaat monteren.
Yeah.
Kijk eens hoe ver wij glijden. Je hebt
Ja.
botsten en je...
You want ice cream now? They have fries.
Super fast. I never
Yeah,
had
very
one that
fast.
Dino ijs.
Do you want ice cream?
Yeah, and then I want the Dino one.
That's not for sale, baby love. That's not for sale. That's just, ano there, passion, art. Wala silang ice cream doon. French fries lang. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Yan, meron silang pa-indoor. May mga sandbox dyan. Ha? What, Mahal?
I'm not used to doing this stuff anymore.
Yeah, because you're getting old. Gusto ko masyado dito ay as in fairness naman talaga sa park nila. Yung mga paganyan pa sila. Diba? Wow. Pwede ka din. Ayun o, ice cream. Ice cream, baby. They have ice cream there. You want that ice cream or different ice cream? Oh, okay. Then let's buy there.
Deze? Moeten jullie in? Lukt dat? Ja? En op die knop drukken. Op die knop drukken. Ja. Ja, maar.
Oh. Wow. Is that for me? That's for you? Okay.
Niet laten vallen, hè?
Yummy? Grabe na pawis niya, oh. Dahan-dahan lang din. Halito by lito, balik lang. Just lick it like that. Like this, oh. Lasang Jollibee. Ang ice cream nila.
Can I have after ice cream flavor? After ice cream play.
Yeah, of course. You always play here. Okay. Patingin daw ng mukha mo. Naano na yung kuko mo. Kadami ng lupa. Bebe, would you like to come back here on your birthday? Yeah? Do you want? Or you want somewhere else? Not here.
I want to go here on my birthday.
Okay. Nathan, picture with Papa. Look here, Nathan. Nathan. Diyos ko, kahirap picturean. Wala. Dito tayo kay merong nag-ano dito, guys. Oh. see here? This is for free. You can get one. And then you can use that when we are home. One, that's a chalk, I think. You can write on the floor or on the wall outside. Let's go. Tara na guys. Punta tayo sa sa other part of the park. Kaya dito lang kami kanina pa. Hindi naman siya ganun kalakihan, no. Maganda lang kay marami siyang mga dinosaurs. Tapos yung mga palaruan po nila, madami din, malalaki. Kaya mag-enjoy talaga ang mga bata dito. Na, grabe, not sponsored guys. Wala na, gi-advertise na. Not sponsored ba ya ito? 66. 66 plus. How much is the ice cream, mahal? 1 euro each? 69. Oh, naka 69 na tayo. Don't skip the ads. This is the other part of the park. And they've got also the mini golf, baby love. You want to play mini golf? Where can we do that, Papa?
They have the stuff inside there. It's free.
Ah, it's free. Then you need to get it.
You just need to get it from inside.
Tingnan nyo gaano. Wow! Super big one! Hindi normal. Very big dinosaur, baby.
You want to do the golf?
Wow. You want to do the golf? Just him.
Not there,
And me.
there.
Okay, and you, yeah.
Can we do the mini golf there?
Okay, let's go there first. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki yarn. Saan ang anak ko? Nathan, where are you? Wow. Amaze na amaze ang nanay. This one, how about that? How about that one first? Talaga siya mag-start. Oy! Ala, sige.
Moesten we tegelijk? It said that we can play at the same time. Doe maar, dan doe ik ook. Ga jij maar lekker door.
He said, Mahal, he wants to be here on his birthday, my love.
Okay, well that's a possibility.
Yeah.
Gaan we naar de volgende? Is dit?
Okay.
I'll walk around, my love, to show them so they will have conscience to skip the ads. Joke, guys. Kayo naman, hindi naman kayo mabiro. Alam ko, may nagko-comment na dyan, uy ka talaga. Hala, uy, katagal-tagal na. Para ngayon pa kayo. Meron silang patubig po dyan. At dito nga yung mga dinosaurs. Tapos pasok tayo doon. Ganda. Not bad. Kaya maintindihan mo din na bakit wala silang yearly. Malugi din kasi sila guys, no, kung yearly. 'Di ba? Tapos ba yan? Electric ba yan lahat? Okay, nagagalaw talaga yan isa-isa. Kahit ito nga, gumagalaw, May pa-shark pa sila doon. Now, who is winning? Is Nathan winning or Papa is winning?
Nathan is always getting it in first. So Nathan is winning.
Oh, really?
Yeah. See,
Wow.
Nathan already got it in and I still need to get it in.
Buti na lang, napasaya ko si Nathan at kayo guys. Na-enjoy nyo naman ang mga dinosaur. Pati ang tatay niya, nag-enjoy din. Ako, lang talaga, camera woman.
Yeah. It was the instant hand.
Yeah, you are right. You are winning then. And then? Hala. Sige. Very good. Pagod na ang camera woman ninyo guys. Mag-dalawang vlog pabaya tayo. Kaya pa. Kaya pa man. Basta kay makabawi sa gastos. Gusto ko nang bumitaw, ngunit ayaw pa ng puso. Gusto ko nang bumitaw. Parang may trauma na good ako. Ngayon, magbantay-bantay na talaga ako. Baka mataihan na naman ako ng ibon. Baka takot. Wala pa naman akong sombrero. Baka mapunta sa ulo ko. Makaligo tayo nang wala sa oras dito.
Kom maar omhoog. Kom maar.
Wow, 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 wow.
Hou hem tegen.
Uh-oh.
Nog een keer. Komt-ie, hè? Hou hem tegen. Dit is de verkeerde houden. Ja.
Inapakan yun. Boink, boink, boink. The last one, everyone. Nahilo na ako. Sige, sunod-sunod sa kanila. Katakot talaga dito kay kadami. Pag may maraming tumutulo na ano ba yung ganyan, ang drop siya ba na tubig. Parang maano ako guys, ang trauma natin. Dami ba yung ano, ibon sa taas? Anong ginagawa nila dyan? Oh? Parang mayroon silang ginagawa na clay siguro yan. May hunugasan sila ba? Look daw, Bibila, what are they doing there? Ay, nagakuha sila ng gold. Mahal, they're mining some golds, mahal.
Nog gold.
Yeah, ay, unsa man niya kung mister, uy?
Oh ja, gold.
Yeah, it's gold. Nag-video call. Nag-video call sila. Ba? Yes. Yes, ipa-video call natin sila, guys. Nandito kami sa park, Mang. Mag-retouch nga tayo, B. Let's go.
No, I don't want.
Why not? Nagutom daw siya. What do you want? We have apple juice, we have fruits, we have water, apple juice. Okay. How about bread? More bread? Last one daw, mag-slide siya. Tapos alis na tayo. Ang tatay nagmukbang ng prutas. No, I don't want my Bebe Lab. Si Daniel ba palagi kong natatawag ng Bebe Lab?
I'll eat more.
Yummy strawberries? Sweet, right?
Because Nathan always eats strawberries, but not.
Yeah, why are you not eating strawberries? Nag-vlog na ako kaninang umaga, tapos nag-vlog ako, i-continue ko yung vlog ko kaninang umaga, tapos may puntahan tayo. Makabawi na sa gastos, guys. Pwede. Let's go! So guys, nag-enjoy naman kayo sa Dino Land for today's vlog. Mabuti naman. Kahit pagkainit, good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow kung hindi absent. 1, 2, 3, go!
Bye everyone, mahal.
Sige na ba?
You asked me to say that.
Bye everyone! Sama ni si Daniel. Ay, pakisama ba? Bye everyone. Sige, 1, 2, 3, go!
Sige. Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
Like that. Bye everyone!
Bye everyone.
Oh, papa.
Bye everyone.
Why?
It's hurting.
Maybe you need to pop? You need to pop?
Yeah.
Now, let's go. Mahal, he needs to pop, Mahal.